Wow!
Hello kids, Prinzy here. Today I will teach you how to draw Pocoyo and he is enjoying his ice cream. First I am going to draw Pocoyo's face like this. Draw with me. Now I am going to draw Pocoyo's head like this. Now I am going to draw Pocoyo's eyes. It's time to draw his nose and now I am going to draw his tongue and his mouth. Great! Now I am going to draw Pocoyo's body like this. Now it's time to draw his one hand like this. And he is holding his favorite ice cream on his hand. Great job! Now I'm going to enhance the picture. Great! Our picture is more visible to us now. Let's color our picture. For Pocoyo's face, I am using cream color. Red color for Pocoyo's tongue. Now I am using blue color for Pocoyo's dress. Grab your colors and start coloring with me, kids. I am using yellow color for his chain. Now I am using cream color for his hand as well. Now it's time to color his ice cream. I am using brown color for ice cream cone. Now I am using orange color. Yellow color. Red color for cherry. Great, our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.